August 29, 2017, Sugar Land, Texas, in the Commonwealth neighborhood.
It stopped.
Oh, what's going on?
What's going on? Hurricane Harvey. Hurricane Harvey? Yeah, Hurricane Harvey.
Hurricane Harvey.
Back to the car. Can I get in the water with you, Dad?
No.
Quick,
Christ.
back to the car.
Quick, back to the car.
Ah, ah. Quick, back to the car. Ah, ah.
It's right here.
Daddy, I'm gonna take a picture with you and take a picture with the water.
All right.